So join me today, bright and early, still half asleep, but we'll get through. Today fitting my new exhaust system to the 350Z, and yeah, as excited as you can imagine. I'll cut to a few days ago when I was taking it off. It's been a few days because I was waiting for a new gasket to arrive. That's here now, sent by MIJ in Warsaw, 3-inch mid-pipe gasket. Didn't want to reuse the old one, looked a little bit worse for wear, so it was best to just wait for that. So we'll snap to some shots of that, and I'll also run you through a comparison that I did as well also when I had them off. But today the new one's going on, and the car's not been started for a couple of weeks. Had the battery on charge, so it will be a proper cold start. So last little bits of the job to do, hopefully. What I've ended up doing is taking out this bracket from up there. It's just 10 mils, 1, 2, 3, 4 10 mils, and that wiggles out. Luckily it's quite solid, it's not caused me any trouble. But what I've done, I've unbolted the exhaust mounts from the car. I found that's the best way, and I'll show you why in a moment. Oh yeah, I've got these on because the amount of crap that comes out from here. And we've cleared the W brake. So this is the Toyosport that I took off. Sounds really good, but we'll give you a demonstration of sort of the quality of the materials used. And of course this all affects the noise that it produces. So totally different. I mean, there's stainless and then there's stainless, you know, it's really good quality. And that's not even the main difference. So not tapping it hard. Imagine how it would sound with, like, you know, metal on metal. So yeah, straight away, different level in terms of quality. So here's what's left of the old gasket. That's what we're after. For what it costs, might as well just wait a few extra days, get a new one. So I have the dilemma: do I bolt these up to the car and then slide the exhaust on, or do I keep these on the exhaust and then bolt these up to the car? We'll have to just, I'll try and bolt these up onto the car first and try and slip the hangers through the mounts. We'll try that way first, see how we get on. It was like handling a newborn baby. So I've left all these bits wrapped up so I can sort of manhandle the exhaust system a bit better with getting it into place, but then I can just quite easily take those off once it's finally up. So let's maneuver him into place. So she's up, clears everything very nicely, but the mounts, I think in a garage, you know, you could sort of leverage that a lot better, but on your back I might just have to take the mount off, slip that on, slip that on and then bolt it back up. But clearance seems good at least now with that bracket out the way, so we'll see what we can do. I've took out the one bolt, loosened up the other two, and I think I can just about so with the mounts, 2 holes out. She's took a bit of my glove, but she's on, and then I'll do the bolts back up, and then yep, that's the easier way to do it. So everything on, all 3 hangers at the back, hanger in the middle, and then, sorry for your orientation, struggling my arse off to align the Y pipe to the centre. I've been struggling for the last 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I realise I got a V-band. Oh, schoolboy error. So we'll slacken that up and then just twist them. Not great to get. Oh, tell you, look at that. Oh. Oh. Also, for any sort of exhaust clamp, the mounting, you always want to sort of tuck round out of, you know, getting knocked by any rocks or piece of wood in the road or speed bump, so you always want to tuck them out the way if you can. before because it's come off. Honestly, the car, don't you? Because it's come off a different vehicle. It could have had a different bumper, different white pipe, you know, anything like that. But what I'll do, I'll start packing the tools away, let this fully warm up, take it off the stand as well, and it's hot. Probably go for a drive. So exhaust all fitted up, give it a nice clean down before I started it up. Been for a little drive and I can give it some revs now, like this guy.